Hello everyone, if we haven't met, my name is Dandara Salvador and I live in Finland in a town called Outokumpu, and I'm here in one of my favorite places in Outokumpu, which is the old mine area. And Outokumpu was a very important copper mining town in the last century, and part of the mining infrastructure remains here as a museum. But okay, now a bit about myself. As you may have guessed, I'm not Finnish. Actually, I was born in a city very far away from here. I'm from Curitiba, Paraná, Brazil. And one of the questions that I most hear here is, how did I end up here? Maybe you also are asking yourself this question. And the answer has everything to do with emerald. So I'm a geologist. I did my bachelor's at the Federal University of Paraná. And after completing the bachelor's, I applied for the Emerald Master program. And sometime later, I was in Liège starting the master studies. And my thesis, which I did in LTU, it was part of Keliber feasibility study. Keliber is a Finnish mining company, and they sent me to do the test work to where I'm working right now. So that's how it happened. So after I graduated from Emerald, I started working at the GTK, the Geological Survey of Finland. I work at the Outokumpu unit, most known as GTK Mintech, and at the moment I'm a research scientist in the pilot plant team. So the projects that I work on, they are usually ore beneficiation projects for scoping studies, feasibility studies, or operating mines. And they usually start with ore characterization by automated mineralogy, and then bait scale testing, and then finally pilot scale testing. I have been working with very different types of ores, but I work mostly with lithium and graphite ores. Now, as you see here in Finland and in Europe, the world, these battery minerals and metals are really important. So we have been having many projects related to them, and it is really nice because the materials that we have been producing here, they are being tested in lithium-ion batteries. So you really feel like you're part of this new battery industry developing in Europe. The knowledge and skills that I learned during Emerald program, such as process mineralogy, flotation, leaching, recycling, are very important for me at work. I often apply what I learned during Emerald here at work. And I feel like I can communicate with mineralogists and process engineers with no problem. And I can apply the geometallurgy concept on my projects, which adds valuable information to them. And it's amazing that I had the opportunity to work with some alumni during some projects, and it's really nice to see them and catch up. So thinking about the future now, I would never imagine that I would be where I am right now, so I don't want to even try to guess where I will be in the next 5 or 10 years. But there is something really important and I want to be part of, which is the development of a more sustainable mining. Learning from Emerald, which for me represents a bridge between the different fields, for sure contribute to a better mining, since it promotes a better resource efficiency. But I think there is still plenty of bridges to be built to make mining more circular and more sustainable. And there is where I would like to see myself in the future.